Hello, this is 11 Colors. Apparently there's been some dispute or confusion about how to get Subway in Japan to put a proper amount of black olives on your sub. I like how this I like how that revolving door is done so it doesn't squash any baby heads. Yeah, Subway. Apparently there's some dispute about how to get Subway to put a proper amount of black olives on your sandwich. Because in Japan, on every sandwich, everything you put on it, meat, vegetables, is practically a condiment. Like a decoration, not actual food. So if you just ask for black olives, they'll put like 2 black olives on it. If you want a fistful of black olives, you have to ask for a fistful of black olives, or keep saying more until you get what you want. So, I'm gonna go in and get myself a BLT and see if I can get a shitload of olives on it. Hi, 30センチのハニーオーツでダブルミートの BLT、 ブラックオリーブは大盛りで、はい、お願いします。そしてトーストお願いします。そしてブラックオリーブはできるだけ多めにお願いします。はい、バジルのポテトとペプシのネックス。S でいいです。はい。もうちょっとお願いします。はい。はい。はい。That's how you get a ton of black olives on your sub at Subway in Japan. Thank you for watching. Not sure. Let's see if I got it. Oh! Almost. Is it? What the hell? Didn't move at all. Man, this is so dumb. That time. Huh. God damn it. Got it maybe a little bit further back. If this doesn't work. Fuck. Alright, this is just humiliating now, so I'm not going to shoot it anymore.